This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this Power BI tips and tricks video, we'll learn how to change map to table and table to map dynamically. Let's go to our Power BI desktop to learn this option. In this Power BI desktop, we have a map and we have some buttons here. Suppose if you want to change this map to table, let's click on this table button. You can see that the map gets changed to table. Now suppose if you want to change this table to map, I'll click on this map button. You can see that the table gets changed to map. Let's see how to do this. Before learning this, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Alright, let's go to another page and we'll start this option from beginning. First, let's create the table and the map. I'll select this matrix and here in this field, let's select state, sales and ship mode. So there is a table which gets created. We'll just expand it. We'll resize it and we'll keep it here. All right. As soon as I create this table, let's name this so that it will become easy for us to work on these options. To name this, we'll go to this view and here we have selection pan. I just selected this. I'll get all the list of objects what we create. If you select this table, here you can see it says metrics. Double click on this and here we'll just name it as sales by state. So we named it as sales by state. Now let's create a map. I'll click on this visualization. I'll get a map and we'll select the state and sales. Now we'll place this map just above this table exactly to the size what we have with the table. So let's cover this. Next, we'll name this. Here it says sales by state. We'll make it as map so that it will be easy for us to recognize it. I'll just say map. If you want to name this as table, you can also name this. We'll just give one hyphen and say table. Right. Now our visualization is ready. Next is getting the buttons. Let's go to this insert. Here we have this image. Click on this and we'll go to the path where we have the icons. We'll select these icons. Let's select this map, say open. I'll get the map button here, resize this and we'll place it here. You can resize this how much ever you want, whatever size you want, you can just resize it. We'll keep it here like this. Next is let's take the table button and say OK. Now I'll resize this button as well. Right, now the buttons are ready. Now how to assign these shapes, whatever is there to hide and unhide. So how to do that? Next step is assigning the actions for these buttons. So what we'll do here, we'll take the bookmarks pan and then we'll create the bookmarks to assign for these two buttons. Let's select this shape here. We can see that we have created two shapes or say visualization, sales by state and sales by state table. Let's hide these two visualizations. We'll create a bookmark. First, what we'll do is we'll go here, we'll make this map visible. So this icon, what we can see here, the eye icon, this is actually used for hide or unhide of the visualization. When I just click on this, If this becomes like visible, then I can see the map here. So for this, we'll give a bookmark name. I'll say add, and here we'll say show map visual. The next bookmark, what we'll do is we'll make this table visible and the map hidden. And we'll name this bookmark as show table visual. You can name whatever name you want, but make sure that you'll give an appropriate name. Now the bookmarks are ready. We'll go to these buttons and we'll assign these bookmarks for these buttons by using actions. When I select this button, we'll go to this format image. If you just come down here, we have this action. Let's enable this action. Just make it on. Click on this to expand. And here we have this type. We'll select bookmark. Once we select bookmark, here we'll have an option of selecting the bookmarks. Now we'll select this show map visual. When I click on this, this bookmark will be enabled. Next, let's select this another button, the table button. We'll do the same steps. Action. I'll make action as on. We'll select bookmark in this type. In this bookmark, we'll select show table visual. Once it's done, the options for hiding or unhiding has been assigned to these buttons. Now let's see how it works. Let's hold Control and I'll click on this map button. You can see that the map is visible. When I click on this table button, you can see that the table is visible. So by using this selection and bookmarks span, we can achieve these options. I hope this video was useful. If you think that this video was useful, please do share it. And if you like this video, please like it. And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification as soon as we upload our files. Keep watching Analytics Solutions channel for more interesting, informative, and innovative videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. See you guys in the next video.